In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish sales tax reports in Xero. By the end, you'll know how to create a finalized, time-stamped copy of your sales tax figures so you can reference them later for filings, audits, and record keeping. Publishing is different from simply viewing a report. It saves a fixed snapshot of the numbers as they stand today. Start by logging into your Xero account through your usual secure method. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the top menu and click Reporting. From the list of available reports, select Sales Tax Report. Depending on your region, you might see a summary-style view first, which is where you'll be reviewing your totals. Take a moment to review the Sales Tax Summary Report. This page typically shows your taxable sales, tax collected, and any credits or adjustments that affect your return. Confirm you're looking at the correct organization and tax regime, and scan the figures for anything that looks out of place. It's a good habit to make sure your bank accounts are reconciled and your invoices and bills are posted correctly before you proceed, so that the published snapshot reflects accurate, clean data. If you need to narrow or shift the time frame, select the reporting dates that match your filing period. Choose the start and end dates that align with the return you're preparing, monthly, quarterly, or the custom window you're required to file. After setting the dates, click Update. This refreshes the report based on your selected period. Give the page a moment to recalculate, then verify the key totals again to ensure you're comfortable locking them in. When you're confident the report reflects the correct period and figures, click Publish. Publishing tells Xero to store a permanent version of this report as it appears right now. Think of it as your official snapshot for that period. You can still run the report again in the future, but the published copy won't change. Confirm the report publication when prompted. This extra confirmation helps prevent accidental snapshots. After confirming, wait for the published report to save. You might see a brief loading indicator. Just give it a moment and avoid navigating away while it completes. Finally, review the published sales tax report. Look for the published status and timestamp to confirm it's been saved. Scroll through the details and verify that totals and dates match what you intended to publish. That's it. You've successfully published a sales tax report in Xero, creating a finalized record you can rely on for future reference and compliant record keeping.